Black's challenge here is to capture these 5 white stones. So oftentimes in games, when you get into fights, the most basic technique is really just to occupy your opponent's liberties. Keep the liberties short, and then you'll have a better chance at capturing your opponent. And this is exactly what this pattern illustrates. If Black allows White to play here at e15, then it's very hard to enclose White. So it's very key. Many of these problems we've seen involve sacrifice. So it's very key for Black to sacrifice another stone here. Of course, Black should not escape like this. This will allow White to connect and escape. Black should sacrifice these 2 black stones. And now the key move really is just to occupy White's liberty like this. There are 2 intersections that White needs in order to escape, but White cannot occupy both at the same time. So White tries this Atari, it doesn't matter, it doesn't occupy either of those 2 points. If White connects here, Black will be able to cut off White like this. If White connects on the outside, then this is a snapback at number 9. White captures and Black captures back. So 1, 3, and 5 is how Black succeeds in this pattern. And the key move, first, is to sacrifice, and second, number 5 here is really just to occupy your opponent's liberties. Playing elsewhere will not work for the purpose of this problem. Of course, you can say Black can maybe kill White this way, but in real games, usually there are White pieces nearby that can save this group. So for the purpose of this problem, the correct answer is right here at number 5. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.